Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make that Chinese chicken using the velveting technique, which actually causes the most driest part of the chicken to actually be as soft as butter. Okay, so it's around 3 portions of boneless chicken, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and 1 egg white. So the yolk removed from 1 egg. It's also best to cut your boneless chicken breast pieces kind of like into thin slices, just like how you would get in like a Chinese place. It's kind of like thin frayed kind of slices. That's what I've kind of tried to achieve. So over here I now have my egg white and my cornstarch and my salt, and I'm just gonna mix this. Okay, so it's got to be quite fluffy. That's when I kind of think that it's made. So now what I'm going to do is bring my chicken forward and just add this into the chicken. And now, this is exactly why I wear gloves. I get a bit weird about touching chicken. So I'm now just going to mix this in. So the chicken here should be basically prepped. So the next step, what we're going to be doing is getting this chicken into boiling water. But before you're about to handle this chicken, what you can do is start on maybe like making your egg fried rice. However, stay tuned for my next video, which will show you how to make the egg fried rice. I'm going to just add my chicken into it. Now this is going to be for 30 seconds to remove the mixture mostly from that. So I'm just going to slowly add it all in. And just literally 30 seconds, which I'm just going to time on my phone. Okay, so the chicken is not cooked, but it is super soft. You can already kind of tell that it's super soft, so I'm very happy with that. Now, what I'm going to do is start with onions and just building up my sauce for my chicken. I have broccoli on the boil there because I'm going to be adding broccoli. 1 big red chilli, half of a part of some ginger, which is actually kind of sliced long way. Spring onion, I've got about 2 kind of branches of spring onions. I have chopped and prepared here already 1 large or 2 small onions. And also, I work by cubes, frozen cubes, but I don't know about you guys. So 1 cube of ginger and 1 cube of garlic. Also some salt. So usually I would use around 2 teaspoons of salt, but it is dependent on your taste. I would add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of cider vinegar, but that's entirely up to yourself if you do want to add that. And half a cup of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons or 2 big spoons of oil. Add my onions to really get them cooked. Okay, so once the onions are looking nice and brown and soft and cooked, I'm going to add in the ginger and the garlic. Now it's best to add the chicken, because we still need to cook the chicken. I'm just going to add my super soft chicken, and my broccoli should be boiled by now, so I've just kind of let it out. Chicken needs to be super cooked. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of salt. 1 It's entirely up to you how much salt you think you need. I'm just going to add 2 teaspoons. I'm going to add in my red chilli. Usually the stalk part of the spring onion, I can probably just add in. It's just the white part. It's hard recording this myself. And I'm going to now add in my soy sauce. Add in half of the mixture first. This will get quite salty, so you do need to remember that. The chicken is super soft, it makes me so happy. Tablespoon of brown sugar. And as I said, the optional cider vinegar, that'll be enough. And really just give that a good mix. I didn't actually mention this before, but it is best to add in a bit of cornflour as well. Just as much as you want, how thick you kind of want the sauce. I'm now going to add in my ginger. Add in my broccoli that I've cut into smaller pieces. Really mix that in. Kind of have altered this to my taste and added a bit of black pepper, just a pinch, and then I'm just going to add in my spring onions, and that is pretty much done. You can add in water if you feel like you need more. The corn flour will help it kind of turn into more of a sauce, so it literally cuts like butter and melts in your mouth.